let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
The back niya, Sis Milka and Alexis, a wish granted for today for his upcoming birthday, guys. This coming Friday, 29. Ayan, thank you so much, Sis Milka, for sa pagsama din ng wish ni Alexis na matupad na ang ating back-to-back. And to all who share their blessings, thank you so much. And to all who support my life today. And to all there still in the BG. And sa inyong lahat dyan, maraming salamat po. Sis Milka, thank you.
Thank you, Sis Ings. Thank you, everyone, especially to our dear friend, Alexis, na very supportive. Ayan. Which granted po ang kanyang B2B with Sis Lady Kings. And it's our first time na mag-back-to-back. And thank you.
Basta kasama kita, Alexis. Alright, let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inuman, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y malasig ng kami. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y malasig ng kami. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ikaw.
Thank you, Ma'am Pilipina Newfoundland. Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo, Alexis. Thank you sa support lagi. Ayan. God bless you always. Ayan.
Ready? Let's go.
Ayan. Hi, Alexis. Thank you so much sa support mo sa akin lagi, sa channel ko, sa Amini King, sa Amini Star, sa lahat ng mga mo, Alexis, sa lahat ng mga kaibigan mo, napaka-supportive mo na tao, Alexis. At lagi kang nagre-request sa akin ng kanta, pero sa ngayon, hindi mo nakita kakantahan dito, ha. Siyempre yung birthday mo, birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, see you. Sana magkita tayo at makita ka namin. At saka sa lahat ng mga kaibigan mo, thank you, Alexis. Happy birthday again. Bye. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Alexis. Enjoy your special day. Bye.
Alexis, happy birthday. Birthday mo daw sabi ng ate Gian mo Sana mapanood mo to, matsyempohan mo yung live niya o ewan ko kung kanina niya ipapaplay. And happy birthday, Alexis. Ilang taong ka na ba? And thank you sa always support sa amin. Ni ate mo sa akin, tigian mo. Yan, yung mga close friend ko. Thank you. and lagi kang higa sa amin, nagkakulap. At walang sawa na nag-request. Nag-request ka rin ng request. Kaantay namin yan. Kahit di namin alam, kaantay namin yan. So, happy birthday, Alex. Happy birthday to you. Alexis, happy birthday. Ate Pilias loves you. Happy birthday.
Alexis, happy birthday. Thank you for the requested song. You make me feel brandy. Enjoy your day and mabuhay ka na gusto mo. Happy birthday, Alexis.
Hello! Mega love shoutout sa lahat. Mayroon na akong gustong batiin today and it's his birthday. Happy birthday, Alexis. May God bless you and gusto ko na rin magpasalamat sa iyong laging pag-support sa aking channel and sa ating mga YT friends and very supportive talaga na ating Alexis Ipolito. Kaya ayan, gusto ka namin pasalamatan and syempre and more blessings to come. Mag-ingat ka palagi and see you around sa YT. Happy birthday!
Hello everybody, this is Lady Prince and I'm here today para batiin ang ating isa sa pinaka-supportive, mabait and generous friend here in YT world na ng happy birthday and I wish you all the best and many more birthday in the years to come and from the bottom of my heart I'm so thankful and grateful to know you more than a year already and salamat sa lagi mong support sa aking channel and of course to all my YT community and friends here in YT and thank you also sa mga music that you have shared to us and also the blessings. Ayan. May God bless you more and more and always have a good health and more blessings to come and may God bless you always and thank you and kahit na hindi rin naman tayo nagkita even in person or in video call or whatever, but I'm so grateful and thank you and hopefully soon I can see you even in video call, right? And so thank you so much, Alexis, sa walang sawang suporta mo sa aking channel and to all of my community friends here in YT. So thank you so much and from the bottom of my heart, thank you and we love you. God bless and happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Hello everyone! Have a nice day. And this is Abby Good Channel. Dito ako ngayon guys. Nagsundo, we're waiting sa sinusundo namin sa natin. Mag-greet muna ako. Thank you kay sa Sukoy Gian. Pasensya na late na ito. Batiin ko lang yung ating sobrang supportive na kaibigan at mabait. Palagi talagang nandiyan siya sa amin sa live namin, sa Gian, sa Joan. So, kahit sa live din nakita ko siya, supportive din talaga kung kaibigan natin siya. Thank you so much. Walang iba kundi si Alexis. Happy birthday, Alexis. I wish you good health always. More birthdays to come. And more blessings to come to you and to your family. And sana hindi ka makasawang supportahan kami. Yung mga live streamer. Thank you so much sa always support mo. So, super supportive mo talaga sa amin. Hindi kita makalimutan kasi palagi ka nagre-request sa akin. So, gusto ko din yung mga request mo. And thank you always, Alexis. Once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And God bless you always. Ingat ka lagi siya. Lalo na sa work mo. Thank you. Bye. See you soon. Thank you.
Hello everyone! Ayan, meron meron tayong babatiin ngayong araw na to. Walang iba kundi ang ating ang ating masipag na tagapalakpak dyan sa baba ng YT. Ayan, ang ating kaibigan na si Alexis. Ayan, Alexis. Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo. Ayun, enjoy your birthday. Ayan, good health always and more years, birthdays to come. And then, alam ko na masaya ka. Masaya ka sa yung birthday kasi kinantan ka ng mga paborito mo mga live streamer. Ayan, thank you so much Alexis dahil nandiyan ka lagi sa amin para makasupport. Ayan, si Alexis. Thank you sa'yo sa support mo lagi sa amin. Ayun, so happy birthday, enjoy your day. At alam ko na masaya ka kasi may mga kaibigan ka dito sa YouTube at lagi ka nakasupport din sa amin. Ayan, thank you so much and God bless you. Ingat ka lagi sa iyong work. Ayan, thank you ang Alexis na maraming request. Si Alexis na maraming request doon, request siya ng request. Ayan, so hindi na mawala na request yan si Alexis. Maganda ng mga kanta niya, mahilig siya sa musika. Ayan, thank you Alexis. Salamat sa iyong pagpupuyat lagi pag nag-LS kami. Ayan, thank you so much. Ingat ka and God bless. Bye-bye.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.